proclamation by the town of Hilton Head Island. Whereas the Gullah Geechee civilization originated in West Africa, its people coming to the United States as slaves to work on rice plantations, and with their African fare, original language, and craftsmanship, the Gullah Geechee people left their mark on the southeastern South Carolina. And whereas the Gullah Geechee culture has had a powerful impact on the low country of South Carolina, especially Hilton Head Island, and these Gullah Geechee influences have helped to define much of the island's lifestyle and culture today. And whereas the preservation and celebration of the Gullah Geechee culture has gained momentum due to the Gullah Geechee Cultural Heritage Act, created by United States Representative James Clyburn, as well as the efforts of Queen Quet, chiefess of the Gullah Geechee Nation, and Kwame Shah, co-founders of the International Gullah Geechee Nation Celebration and the annual Gullah Geechee Nation Music and Movement Festival. And whereas for the sixth consecutive year, the town of Hilton Head Island joins the native Gullah Geechees in honoring Gullah Geechee Nation and honoring the region built by their ancestors. And whereas a series of activities will take place throughout the Low Country to celebrate Gullah Geechee Nation Appreciation Week, which will culminate with the Gullah Geechee Nation International Music and Movement Festival. Now, therefore, I, David Bennett, Mayor of the town of Hilton Head Island, South Carolina, hereby proclaim the week of July 28th through August 5th, 2018, as Gullah Geechee Nation Appreciation Week in the town of Hilton Head Island to honor the history and legacy of the Gullah Geechee Nation. I ask the citizens of our town to join Disha the Gullah Geechee, in testimony whereof I have here to set my hand and cause this seal of the town of Hilton Head Island to be affixed on this 17th day of July in the year of our Lord, 2018.